Who likes bouncy balls the most? I do! Are you ready, guys, to do a spooky fall experience? I think it smells like rat's poop. Who likes bouncy balls? Hey, who likes bouncy balls the most? I do. I do. Hey! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm gonna say a recipe how to make ginormous bouncy balls. So let me get my gloves on. Okay, I got the gloves on, and now my hands look like little spiders. This is my helper for the day. She's a little bit mad. Zizi is... So we need half cup of warm water. We need 1 tablespoon of borax.
Borax.
Borax, 1. Only 1. I just go put it in here. Good top, and then throw it until it dissolves. Guys, now we need 1 or 2 tablespoons of Elmer glue. Start squishing it. Blow the bowl, guys. It smells weird, smell it, guys. What? You think it tastes like donuts?
Donuts? Donuts?
I think it smells like rat's poop. Guys, it looks like a really bouncy ball. And let's see it bounce. Whoa! Ooh! Pop! And sauce.
Leave it for a long time. Angie! Who wants that glitter, guys?
Me!
I do. Not way too much. Not too much. That's too much.
Glitter all over my hair, even on my bangs. Yeah! Rainbow girl. I am a rainbow girl. I'm gonna wash my hands.
There's never enough glitter. I like the way how Angie did it. Like she covered it all the way up with the glitter, and that's what I really want to do. And I want to make a giant bouncy ball, so you guys, that was a mistake. Do not put glitter because it becomes all sticky and it won't bounce well. We have an aunt named Ala. She's 15 years old, and she's gonna test the balls if they can bounce super duper high. You guys, what do you think? Is it gonna bounce or not?
Ala, we just made bouncy balls.
Cool. We want you to see and test if it's gonna bounce really, really high.
Not bad.
Guys, always wash your hands after each art project.
Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Love you. Love you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bounce away. Pew.
Bye, guys. I love you.
Mwah. Mwah.